Okay, I'm going to try to see if my fiance can sneeze with certain things. We're going to start with garlic and herbs. No? Okay, maybe let's try black pepper. No? Pepper flakes. He did say, guys, that the garlic was more.
The garlic.
Sorry, the garlic and herb. No?